Africa is Jah word. And Africa strong. Then they can straighten the brothers. You know what they're doing. So if we make Africa strong. So Marcus Garvey said, you couldn't give away a continent if you had time. So you couldn't be a Jamaican still in Africa. You must hear.
Mindset, Rastafari. So, put up on a journey. Warm welcome again to another episode of IjahStars Chat Vlog. We're up on the road. We're currently in Ghana at the moment, and you know Ghana at the gateway scene. So we are come through the gate. We now jump the fence. Alright, so we're there up on the Chat Vlog. IjahStars, you know the thing go. And may I tell you, Ghana is beautiful. Ghana is beautiful, hot and nice. You know what I mean? Where I get a little bit of rain here and there. Sometime them say right now is rainy season in May. So we are go up on the road. We are go up on the road and we are go check some Rastafari brethren who have left Jamaica over 30 odd years. Alright, so we are going to check them brethren there up on the hills and more on the eye them just chat with we. Then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Alright, IjahStars Chat Vlog with them on the move. Ghana with that Rastafari, you know the thing going on. We are linked the Rastafari brethren them from Jamaica. We are talking about the Bobo Shanty order, the Bobo them with the out of Bull Bay. Some of them leave from Jamaica over 30 odd years and then reside in a Ghana, them repatriate. So we are going to link them. So keep the chat, we're there upon it. IjahStars.
Journey east. Is that and Jah works that Africa is Jah word. And Africa strong. Then they can straighten the brothers. You know what I'm doing with that. So to make Africa strong. So Marcus Garvey said, we couldn't give away a continent for an island. So we couldn't be a Jamaican still in Africa. How much years? And the paper, the guy who that's what the father gift to her. And she'll give it to her. And he will lose it. And the man can't take it away. See? So anyway, no go carry it, you know, and you can secure it.
Embedded.
Yeah. So that keeps it.
Within the DNA.
Yeah. I know. Complexion. Art. To make the art good. And good words that will come out. Good meditation. Good works. The art body. Division and quarreling. See? So, don't go through all of them things. Like I said, steadfast power that teaches. And it's in the midst, teachers. And we used to go to the attentive. Pay attention. Learn the lessons more. God, them about Jesus in the future. They don't want to go on and get all the education they can get. If we lead them in the future. That's why His Majesty said we go university outside to learn. And see when we learn and come back, school they are wait for you to teach.
Things in place for us to exercise what we've been taught, what we learn, so we can, you know, disseminate amongst, you know,
I did in Africa now 33 years now. 5 years now.
5 years in Nigeria. Bobo, Nigeria seems to be one of the most roughest place on the west coast of Africa.
So, if we live in Jamaica, we live in Nigeria, which part we can live? See, there's language my that's the only thing, but it may be a problem to us. Because it talks to the heart. So that's how we learn. And the heart will. So when you are dark, it comes from the heart. God, it is real. Yeah. And just good. Just good. Just understanding. And there is no darkness. Love and understanding. We gotta work together to do it. Understand? So that teach me. So through my 10 years with King Emmanuel, it's like coming in a city. It's like coming in a city. Father and Son. So those things I never forget. And if I watch people, I could have lose focus. Jack is the one standard thing, so
Yeah. 10 years.
King Emmanuel, 81 to 91.
81 to 91.
That's the far as spirituality, nature. That's why the Rasta man did at the hills. You see? And the politician them, confusing them. Because them say, if you capture one Rasta man, you capture all Rasta man. But the one Rasta man that you can't capture him to peace man. And when them do and do, because the cause, you know, is a free and redeem Africa. Because also Africa can say repatriation. We don't not talk about the Queen long time. And Joshua said, alright, look how Britain sent to them subjects. So now it's time for Africa send ships. Ghana have around 15, 16 ships, 91 in and then sell out to no Black Star Island. See? So that's why Jah now I say Africa have to rise and say repatriation. Because when the OAU farm is to come together and have one voice and ask for repatriation, because repatriation is a deal of it. And black people come, heart and mind and soul to build Africa. And I like how they go on now, exploitation again. You see it? If you have passport and visa, you can't come. Here of return. But politics, I will still have to pay, I will still have to pay this and still have to pay. So you still have to talk about politics, man. Yeah, man. Politics. Money making. Tourism on the foundation. But it's good enough. If we don't own the subjects, who are going to own them? We have to own them. When the European them in a trouble anyway, quick, we go for them.
Well, that's why you have, certain embassy there in different locations. You have an American embassy, you have an Ethiopian embassy, French, Italian, all these different European entities.
Then you see the Western world, the European world, we don't know what them did to our foreparents and colonialism, imperialism. Still gone. That's why Marcus Garvey said education without justice is slavery. So if we have education and knowledge and all these things, and we now harness it to build Africa. But if we not build something, that's why Jah is saying that we are going to have a little nucleus and it grows. One state, then two states, then three states. Because one couldn't suffice Ghana. Look how Ghana did. Look how far away from Accra. Talk about Kumasi and Pt1. But we have a perfect one. And so we know how it's supposed to be. You see? The man then fall. See? When them see the thing rise. I know them build it, but it rise. So them want the energy there. So them plan. So them want to take it over. And true, I know they will build it. When them take it over, it fall down. Because they will build it and they never take care of it. And we did it with King Emmanuel, that he might blow it down and start from scratch again. But the elder couldn't come and say, I will do this and that. See? Just say, my Lord, when I got talk about 70s and 80s, I got talk about today. I got turn a new page. So Jah calling back some old Bobo, And I would have deal with Jah already. Just saying, continue the work. I do everything in my life. I and I never follow through. That's it. Each one important. If something happen to it, the power not there again, like. That's it. So that's what God teach you, my Lord. If you strengthen me to be stronger, and you strengthen me to be stronger. Jah is our strength already. But that strength there is to strengthen one another. We can be stronger. If you're weak, you can't defend the thing. If you're strong, you can defend. And our Father, a defender of the faith. So we have to be like a defender of the faith. And so when we talk of our faith, when we live, we have to walk in the liberty. So Father Emmanuel come and him show us all the parts. The two were many. Man have a little, man have a little. You understand? All part have to come into one. That's why I give you something to do. There's no man to take it over and say it's his own. It's every man's duty to build it. It can go strong. So, one thing says material to take it over.
You can ask me a question.
Yeah,
Because like today now, you see a lot of things go in and out. You know, people say this, people say that regarding where the Congress is concerned. You know, who should be administrating, who should be running. You know, Emmanuel have two sons or three sons, but two standing that we know about. But I feel like people misunderstand what the Congress is really set up for. And so people think that it's a bloodline, it's a bloodline thing where you can, because it's your father or it's your mother, you have this authority then to be the one in position. Is that how the Congress set up to run?
no, my lord. See, when the Father was with us, you see, and built us as priests and prophet. All of us are sons already. You understand? So you can't come now because we say, are you alone as son to get inheritance. It's not inheritance. What you work, that you're rewarded. So, what go on with even Emmanuel's son them time. His man do that. Because them struggle some other man. See, and him they know, in the position you know. See, they must struggle some other man. And him not say nothing. Darkness. So darkness is coming. So we done dark already and we done dark. More darkness is coming. No man now seek for the light. Because them say the light not there again, Emmanuel not there. Yet we the care look to Africa. Because Emmanuel there. You see what I say? So the man them do that man. And through them do that. And that make things become like that. I remember, you know, before Jah leave, you know, him have 14 man committee. Them 14 man, they still left on the 33 man parliament. You know, tell them 14 man, they go still have a 7 man committee there with David Jah, you know. You see what I say, man? So everyone important. So if you say me not, it's not important and you try to put me out, problem will come. And next man will come and do the same thing.
True.
Yeah. So how Jesse behave, can say I'm father. Enough man just come and behave the same way. You can't be father just by inheritance, you be father by image, likeness, principle, manners, reverence. Yeah. So you can't say a Prince Emmanuel's son and bad word and cursing and that's not what your teachers. And all the sons and daughters, you have to learn. And we will learn that we are going to use to build the kingdom. Not to divide the kingdom and mash the kingdom. See? So, I man have letter when we write from 2004. I sent to the man them, show them how things are virgin. Because I know all the virgin them face to face. They used to live. So I know them. So I know how a man stay. But no matter how a man stay, you still have to learn to live together. You can't say no more important than you. Or you can make you better. Never do wrong. To They never rectified that since. That's like problem.
Same way.
Before Jah moving up, man of office. After Jah move, and see them dissolve the parliament. You see? And when they do that now, problem come my law. You see? When you going to take a man off the parliament, unless him pass. Then do that. And when them realize them wrong, they might try and make it back. Say, oh, some man pass. Instead to get some new name. But that's not what them did. You see? Cancel the thing because of something. You don't like a man, but enjoy it, set it. And the man have a duty. Duty. Now I say it's a priest. I know no duty. It's the tabernacle alone. Tabernacle is a part of it, it's a kingdom.
True.
The kingdom have different office and function. That's it. So the man they never do them thing the my lord. So through that it's like in a situation like this. See, but like I said, you have me letter baby. That's it. I tell them say if them want have a case in my letter. Then if a liar can defend me. I know what I did and I know what I said. I never do nothing through vexation or ignorance. No, I do things because in my heart I do it. So I go tell me say, yeah man, make it fix. I make it calm. What tell me? See, so him tell me my lord and I just continue. And he say when you walk, I never look back. Focus because I feel we have been. So 10 years it can't be the same place. You have to go somehow spiritually and clinically. So one time they tell me, say, my lord, you never build a house, you build 2 houses, my lord. You build the spiritual house first. Yes, we have to run the chemical house. That's it. So 10 years me there with my build the spiritual house because you know say enough physical house that we
I never officially, you know, cause I never but as there I speak about principle, you know, principle govern the earth, and you know, we want to take the time out now to kind of officially introduce the I. And also the I also see, but the I is Honorable Priest
Michael. We didn't want the Banick again, Michael. They know me like Jabi or Priest Banick. But it's Michael.
My Lord. It's an honor and a pleasure to meet the I in the flesh. The reason for the phone and there I speak about, you know, eye to eye justice and face to face judgment. So I guess, you know, we're there so right now. So great honor, great pleasure, my lord, you know, to meet with a man who sit with King Emmanuel, you know, for 10 years, and also a man who Prince Emmanuel sent to Africa, as a lot of people come to Africa from the Congress, saying that it's not the King Emmanuel sent them in that sense. That's the love mama, Rastafari. So, it's an honor and a pleasure, my lord, again, you know, to get the opportunity, you know, to reason with the eye and to meet the eye. The eye is, as you said, an honor. Hearing about, you know, from a younger youth coming up in the order of Bobo Shanty, I always hear about the delegation that then come to Africa, you know, and I was always interested to know the virgin that was on such delegation, because I think a delegation like that, for them to be on, you know, they can't be any normal, regular type of bubble. See? And me not try to make it superficial or anything like that, but just to know that, you know, a man like even Priest Paul, when I reason with Priest Paul, the relationship that we have is not a normal bridging. See? Reasoning with I over, you know, the last couple of months now, I can see that the I is not a normal bridging also. Reason with the Honorable Priest, meeting him now for the first time, Priest IRL, I can see from, you know, his countenance is not a normal.
Watch yourself.
You see it? Yeah, so I give thanks, my Lord, and my Lord, Honorable Empress. Give thanks for the hospitality.
Just a few words for the Honorable
Majesty.
Empress. Shall make all things possible. But my understanding, you have a witness and you have a testimony. This moment is really their share. My Lord, make himself. I honor the man to be safely, and the Empress as well. What we want right now is more unity and love. I think we all know this, but the only way I know is King Emmanuel. I'm not a perfect man, I make mistakes. But a merciful Father, you come at a time we're celebrating Abraham, with no shepherd. Few people in flesh. There are some creatures around look like people. But there are few who realize prophecy and history from that moment in flesh, our Father. So, I look on it in terms of a blessing, my Lord, as a strength. Give thanks again, our beloved.
Give thanks and
I'm a brethren.
my Lord.
I'm a brethren.
My Lord.
I'm a sister. That's the way the man teach me. We give thanks to our teacher. Majesty.
My Lord. But he said, my Lord, 30 odd years now. So, the good things we want to talk about, the good things that give to us. A man go through life experience. Each make me stronger. Yeah, it showed me say, if you know the burden for myself. So maybe I camp, maybe I camp like that. Maybe they know man. Because tomorrow the same man them, you know. So I don't know if art and change. Understand? Because the man will teach you say you have to live, go to heaven. The world comes here to die, go to heaven. The man will come and say you have to live. Live good in yourself. To see God in yourself. The world will teach that. And the man will teach us God in ourselves. That's why I say man of right, God in flesh. Man of right, Satan. Man of right, God is in flesh. Man of right, Satan is in flesh. So for that, we're confident. And from we're confident and conscious, say we are children of God, then our behavior, we take behavior to be a savior. So we see some behavior that inside. We couldn't just behave anyhow. Suppose Jai for rat. Who never camp. You see, the man say mercy endured forever. Teach us to forgive that we may be forgiven. The creed, you know. So them words are not just to talk them. Practice them. Practice them perfect. That's what the kingdom of God. You see? And you see the word reparation is confusion. It's confusion. if you read the black supremacy, that word is inside. Repatriation with compensation. The word that just come about to bring confusion. Like reggae music, different from Rastafari. The foundation was Rastafari. But in the 70s, they bring reggae music. Man that I use Rastafari, me, till 2024, we see how the world is. Just Emmanuel never change. People changing, but the Emmanuel never change. That's why MC say, ship now come, and the one them in Africa now come and learn, come back and do. That's why I'm saying us. So when we come now, the man them are there now, we show love and understanding, and you uplift me. And when you uplift me, you will get uplifted too, you know.
That's right.
But you don't mind me. Because I'm a diaspora and I'm a Jamaican. You see it? No love, no grow. That means you can't wait for 10 years and no brotherly love and no sisterly love. No, my lord, that's what I teach you, man. See it? So, I say love and understanding. Me a Priest Michael, the angel. So me now go there one place. You can't contain me. See? We build kingdom. I say Emmanuel. Emmanuel build it to him. That's where they see it. We go there and we help him keep it and build it. So through that, we have it, man.
I say something interesting. Reparation is only a new thing now that coming to, is like a slogan now that attached to freedom, redemption and international repatriation. Was that something to kind of derail the freedom, redemption, international repatriation move?
That was the whole thing. Because remember, you know, in the West, we don't know the word there, you know. Because repatriation person, we don't want to stay away. We want to come home. That's why Rastafari rise, you know, back to Africa. We want to come home. So, a repatriation with compensation. So, you see in 89, Nigeria, Abiola, him, them come with the reparation. See? So, you see when they come with that too, it's when we go to Nigeria, you got a newspaper article when it say Jamaican want repatriation before reparation. And Nigeria people. See? You see? Because we in Africa, we can't take reparation money and the people them never come home. So that was it. We in Africa talk about give money. Repatriation. If we have money, we can't come to the compensation that we not left nothing there. One time just say, my lord, if we get ship and we can pull down the house and carry them. You see it? We do that. You see it? So reparation, my lord. You know, yeah, that is the one that is talk now, you know. You know, you're not more repatriation again. I pay reparation, everybody talk about reparation.
So everybody are run down the money.
You see?
So it's like, so we put money and material over
salvation. Salvation that interests me. Salvation is the state of life. That means do good unto others. You see, do good